Good morning, friends. For today's session, we will study about the Java programming. In first experiment, we have to find out the sum of n numbers as well as average of n numbers. So here I have selected one project as a sum. Right click over there, then click on Java project. Then give the name. Okay, so I have selected this name, sum1. Then click on project. Then select class, some average suppose. Click on finish. So here I have selected package sum2, public class sum average, sum AVE, and this is the main method I have selected. Okay, so I will write the remaining program here. So this is the program for find out the sum of array of n numbers. So here I have selected these 6 to 7 numbers. Okay. So suppose these are the different numbers. 5, 6, 9, 6, 10, 20, 25. These are the numbers. Total 7 numbers I have selected from this array. 5, 6, 9, 12, 10, 20, 25. Then one more integer selected as a length is equal to array of length. So this function will calculate the length of this array. So here 7 elements are there, so we can get this value in this variable len length. Then I have selected one variable double as one data type, and variable name is average avg, initial value is 0. One more variable sum, it is also having data type double and initial value is 0. So in for loop, first I will select first value as a 0 and checking the condition, that is I is less than equal to length I plus plus. So it will check the length first. So length is 7, so up to 7 elements it will perform this for loop and I plus plus. So here is the function. So during the execution of for loop it will automatically add. So this sum plus equal to array of I, this will add the different element one by one, and then finally we will get the addition. Also by using this length function we are getting the length. So average is equal to sum divided by length. Here we will get the average, and by using this output function system.out println sum of length, so number of elements here 7 is automatically selected from this variable, number is, and here we will get the summation. And second line system out println, it will display the average is, and by using this variable plus avg it will show the average of these numbers. So just click on this run. Okay, and it will show the addition. So output is sum of 7 numbers, number is in 87. This is the summation, and average of this is 12.4285. This is the average. So this is the program in Java for to find out the addition or summation of n numbers. Here 7 numbers I have selected and its average, to find out its average. This is the program for to find out this sum and average of n numbers. Thank you.